Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will compare BMW X5 versus Volvo XC90 crash test results. We'll examine their safety performance, looking at how each vehicle protects occupants in various impact scenarios. Understanding these differences can help you make an informed decision about which SUV best meets your safety priorities. Let's dive into the details of their crashworthiness and see how they stack up. The BMW X5 consistently demonstrates strong performance across various crash tests. It provides excellent occupant protection in frontal impacts, with its robust structure effectively absorbing and distributing crash forces. Side impact tests also show high ratings, indicating good protection for passengers. Furthermore, its roof strength is designed to withstand significant force, reducing the risk of injury in rollovers. The Volvo XC90 is renowned for its outstanding safety, particularly in small overlap frontal crashes where it often sets a benchmark. Its advanced whiplash protection system significantly reduces neck injury risks. The vehicle's robust safety cage and comprehensive airbag system work together to create a secure environment for all occupants. Volvo's commitment to safety is evident in its consistent top-tier performance. When comparing the BMW X5 and Volvo XC90, both are incredibly safe vehicles, earning top marks in crash tests. The XC90 often has an edge in specific passive safety features and small overlap protection, reflecting Volvo's long-standing safety focus. The X5, however, offers a very strong and well-rounded performance across all crash scenarios. Your choice may depend on specific safety priorities.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.